If you have body pain or you are weak, always, this is what we do. Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching this program, please, I use God to beg you, share this program. Don't just watch this program and leave. Kindly make sure you subscribe to this channel, drop your comments, and like it. God bless you. If you notice that something strange in your body system, body pain, or you are weak, always try these tips. Go and look for this thing. Yoruba call this thing Aidan, Prekes. Go and look for it. And ginger, Aidan, and Kakandoro. Go and look for this thing. We call this thing Aidan. Go and look for it. And Kakandoro with Negro pepper. Negro pepper. Yoruba call it Alama. Go and look for it. Prekes, ginger with Negro pepper. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Please don't keep this information to yourself. Please, I want you to share this program. Let other people benefit from this content. I use God to beg you. Please, let's help ourselves. Please, how to do it? Get enough Prekes and Negro pepper. Enough Prekes and Negro pepper with ginger. Raise it. Then put this item inside pot. Add ordinary water to it. Cook it like 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Take this herb every day, morning and night. Morning and night. That is it. If you are interested in our products, we have all kinds of herb, such as Idakole. This one, effective weak erection and quick ejaculation. We have different type of herb. Manpower herb, high blood pressure, hepatitis B, hemorrhoid, staphylococcus, infection, and so on and so forth. Wherever you are, you receive your package. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Avizabolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram, Dr. Avizabolade. Please share this program. Let this program go viral. I use God to beg you. Please, if you want to call me, you can call me on this number 080 87 53 35 84 or 081 35 03 51 98. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.